welcome to Top Gear, and today we got the remote control BMW i8. The number plate says LA19CJA, and at the back it says a BMW i8 number plate. The LA stands for Los Angeles, the 19 stands for the car is made on 2019, and it was CJA stands for Carl Jonathan Airy. And let's as you can see, at the front it has blue lights, at the back it has red lights, look. And the real car is fully electric, and it is fully electric and a bit hybrid, and it's one of the e-drive ones.
And it
so,
does 200 miles an hour.
No, 160.
Is that all it does? I thought,
Yeah.
I thought
Miles per hour. And it has, it's a hybrid a bit, but it's a electric. Well, it's not electric, fully electric, because it's a remote control car. So
it's battery operated.
and it's battery operated. So
It's sort of electric.
and it has rechargeable batteries.
It had a leaf on the front, didn't it? Then?
Have rechargeable batteries then.
A bit off-roady there.
Let's get ready to take it down the hill. Oh, sorry, Daddy.
I lost it.
And Daddy's car here is his Ford F-150 that ran out of batteries because it had heavy duty. It's his Ford F-150 Platinum, and it's really all bashed up, really. Top secret. Let's take it down the hill now. Take it down the hill. As you can see, this BMW i8 can open doors. This Ford F-150 can't open doors. And this is the controller for the F-150. It's a 2.4 gigahertz B that you can play with other cars with this as well. With this one, this is a 40.680 here, like it says here. The reason why I'm having the Ford controller, because the other BMW controller, the light switch here, broke. So we're gonna take it down the hill. As it's cold outside, so it will get cold inside, we need to close the doors. So we're going to take it down. And 3, 2, 1, and go.
All it is a little spot in the distance now.
The reason why I'm turning it around all the time, because When I'm going straight, it goes towards the right or the left.
Oh, I've lost it.
Going towards the right, that's why I'm turning it all the
I've
time.
lost it. I've lost it. I've lost it there.
And I've lost frequency there.
Let's go back to the car park now. Ding, ding, ding.
It is ready to go to the car park.
Yeah, well, I'm not doing any
We
more.
might make a video in the car park. See you later. Subscribe.